Hi, everyone, and welcome back to our YouTube channel, Englishside. It's great to have you here for another video. And in this lesson video, we are continuing our discussion on digital literacy. But before we dive in, I highly recommend watching my first video on digital literacy if you haven't already. In that video, I introduced you the concept and definition of digital literacy. You can find the link in the description box or just click the link in the pop-up card above. All right, let's get started, everybody. All right, let's talk about a critical topic for students. Why digital literacy matters for students. In today's digital era, being tech savvy student or being tech savvy per se isn't just a bonus, it's a necessity. Let's explore why. First, digital literacy is essential for accessing and engaging with course materials. Whether you are using an online learning platform like Duolingo, downloading resources on Google, for example, or attending virtual classes, you need these skills to navigate these tools effectively, right? So let's take a look at the second reason why. The second reason why digital literacy matters for students is that digital literacy facilitates communication with tutors and fellow students. Think about it like emails, like discussion boards, like we usually do on Canvas discussion board, or group chats on WhatsApp, like we already have, are all part of staying connected and collaborating on projects. Let's see what's next. Next reason is being digitally literate enables efficient research and information gathering, like from finding credible sources to organizing your findings. These skills help you work smarter, not harder. Right. Last but not least, digital literacy is crucial, of course, because why? Because it supports submission of assignment and coursework. You always do it on my course through Canvas, right? Whether it's uploading files, for example, or formatting documents, or meeting deadlines on digital platforms, these skills are a must. Now, let me ask you a question again. How might digital literacy impact your success as a student? Think about how these skills could make your academic journey smoother and more productive. So, as a student, investing in your digital literacy is investing in your success. The more you sharpen these skills, the better equipped you'll be to tackle your studies and beyond. Okay, now let's talk about why digital literacy matters for teachers. Why does digital literacy matter for teachers? In an increasingly digital world, educators need to develop these skills just as much as students do. Let's explore why. First, digital literacy helps in enhancing teaching methods. So, with so many digital tools available, like interactive presentations, educational apps, and online assessments, teacher can create more engaging and dynamic lessons that keep students interested. Then it plays then it plays a crucial role in supporting student learning. When teachers are digitally literate, they can guide students in using technology effectively, helping them develop critical thinking skills, conduct research, and complete assignments in more structured way. Another important reason is staying current. Education is constantly evolving, everyone, and technology is a big part of that change. Teachers who stay updated with digital trends can adapt to new teaching strategies and better prepare students for the digital world. Finally, digital literacy enhances communication and collaboration, whether it's using emails, online discussion forums, or video conferencing tools. Teachers can connect with students, parents, and colleagues more efficiently, creating a more interactive and supportive learning environment. So, if you are an educator or aspiring teacher, how do you think digital literacy could improve your teaching experience? Take a moment to reflect and share your thoughts in the comments. Okay, next, next video. In video part 3, I am going to talk about key digital skills for students as well as teachers. So stay tuned. Bye bye.